Yeah. Welcome to the warehouse.
Yeah. Welcome to the warehouse. Time to organize the stash. Can't be leaving loose variables scattered in the trash. Square brackets on the ends, homie. Build yourself a list. The most flexible collection at the Syndicate is Kiss. Everything is ordered, lined up against the wall, but we start counting at zero. Yeah, before you make the call. Index 0 is the boss. Index 1 is next in line. Pull the elements out the bracket and the logic works out fine.
Yeah, the list is mutable, meaning we can change the state. Dot a pin drops the new product right up at the gate. Dot insert slides it in at the index that you choose. Dot pop removes the last one when there's evidence to lose. If you need to slice it up, use the colon in the space. Bracket 0:3 takes a fraction of the base. Sorting out the inventory. Dot sort will line it up. Python cartel drinking heavy from the compiler cup.
Organize the product, keep the ledger in the black.
We pulling from the front and we appending to the back.
0 index for the streets, key value for the vault.
If you lose your data structure, it is nobody's fault.
Now we graduate to ledgers, bring the curly braces in. It's the dictionary structure where the heavyweights begin. No more counting 0, 1, now we map it out by name. Key value pairs, baby, it's a whole different game. String quote, target quote, colon, then the payload data. Mapping out the hits for the compilation later. Look it up by the key and the value gets returned. The most efficient lookup table that the underground is long.
But watch your step, homie. If the key does not exist, you get a key error trace back and you taken off the list. Use the dot get method, it's the safest way to play. Returns a none type if the target got away. Dot keys pulls the names, dot values pulls the cash. Dot items pulls the tuples when we audit in the stash. Updating the dictionary, reassignment is a breeze. Just target bracket key and overwrite it as you please.
Hold up, lock it down, wrap the data in the parent. It's the tuple structure, we don't let nobody in. Immutable and solid, once it's written it is sealed. Can't append, can't pop, it's a fortified shield. When you need to pass coordinates to keep the constants tight, the tuple guarantees the data makes it through the night. It's faster than the list, memory footprint is low. The silent enforcer of the execution flow. Organize the product, keep the ledger in the black.
We pulling from the front and we appending to the back.
0 index for the streets, key value for the vault.
If you lose your data structure, it is nobody's fault.
One more for the streets. One more for the streets.
One more for the street.
Rep the curlies on a set. The most exclusive structure that you ever gonna get.
No keys, no values, just the elements alone.
But duplicates get murdered in the execution zone.
If you got a list of snitches and they listed twice or 3, pass it through the set function, making them agree. It filters out the copies, leaving only the unique. The cleanest compilation that a programmer could see. You gotta know what container to use for the job. You need order? Use a list.
You need lookups?
Use a dictionary.
You need to lock it down forever.
Drop a tuple on them.
And if you got duplicates in your stash,
use a set. Clean the product.
now we'll awake the stash, run a for loop through the keys, extracting every element with absolute ease. So KV and dictionary dot items put away, unpacking all the couples right across the system state. From the bracket to the braces to the solid parentheses, Python data structures bringing hackers to their knees. The Oinks and Candy keeping every variable defined, the heaviest architecture that the West Coast ever designed.